today we're going to be playing with this really gorgeous wig right here. This is a 42-inch wig. I have all the information on this wig in the description bar. I went ahead and slayed it into a ponytail and added a braid, but it is again 42 inches of beautiful hair that I'm going to finesse. The hair naturally comes like to the middle of my calves. It is super long, and for that reason I thought it would look really great as like the perfect ponytail. And then I went a step further and added a braid. I went ahead and flattened the top. I added some powder. You'll see all that in the video. So let's just go ahead and jump into it, and then I'll be back with my thoughts on this hair. Also, if you're feeling these videos, especially this long 42-inch hair, go ahead and give me a thumbs up and subscribe. Now let's jump right into it. Frame. So I'm going to have to put it on and step out of frame and like stand up and move back a little bit for you guys to show it to you guys. It did come in this plastic packaging like so, and I threw the cardboard parts out because you really don't need that. This one comes from the brand Sensationnel. It's extra inches, and the name is Diamond 46 inch. Shout out to Diamond because that's my baby's name. And I did get it in the color 1B. I was highly tempted to get the blonde, but because it doesn't have the dark root, I just was like, this might look real crazy, especially because again it is so long. So this is like Nicki Minaj, Cardi B inspired, because they're the ones who have been rocking the really long inches. I believe that was like last summer, but still. So it is a center part wig, and then this is where the parting is on the inside. You get two small combs in the front. You get adjustable straps in the back as well as another comb. The cap is super breathable, so I'm gonna go This one has hair under the lace, so this is the lace parting, and I don't know if you can see that, but that comes from under. I don't know if you guys can see that, but there's actually hair under, so it like comes from under once you put it on. I don't know if that is weird or not, but I thought I would point that out. This is gonna be my first time brushing this hair. So I just have like a Tangle teaser style brush, and I'm just going to have at it. And then it got a lot of shedding. Not crazy, but I guess because it's so long, I don't know. But it did get a little bit of shedding, but we're not going to judge. So a company sent this flat iron to me. This is my first time trying it out, but I just want to check it out and see if it'll do anything. And kind of test it out before I review it for you guys. And that kind of made it a little extra smooth. So I'm going to finally throw it on, and we're going to see what we're working with. Definitely lay flat. I utilized the baby hair that was already there. A little bit extra came through, but I just wanted to do something so that it doesn't look so blocky. But as you can see, the wig itself lays like dumb flat, which is amazing. But I am already getting some tangling at the ends, and I think that the more I brush it, the more I make it worse. So let me show you guys what it looks like from the back before I go ahead and style it. Take one of these Goody ouchless hair ties, and I'm just gonna form a quick ponytail. The good thing is that it lays so incredibly flat that I don't actually need a brush. I can kind of just use my fingers and guide it in the way that I want it to go. This hair goes pretty much below my calf, which is crazy, and it's 42 inches. Since it lays super flat, I think that it's a great option to put it in the ponytail, especially because the ends do get a little bit tangled, or a lot bit tangled. That way you don't have to deal with it while you're out, but it does look amazing like this, especially because it lays flat. And again, I did not even use a brush, so if you want to use a brush to get it super sleek, and possibly even some product. It also has a nice sheen to it, so you don't need any product to it. But you can also go ahead and make a really pretty braid. So you can take another one of these goodie rubber bands, or you can take an even smaller hair tie and just wrap it a few times around the end to secure it so that braid does not come apart. You can definitely be fancy with like a fishtail braid or something like that. I personally don't know how to do those just yet, but I definitely will learn. And then you can also add a few little hairpins or hair clips right here to kind of make it look even better. I'm going to repowder the parting and then I'll be right back. And this is pretty much the final look. This look was super simple and easy. I actually like this wig a lot more than I thought I would. It's like when you have it straight down, it's going to tangle and it's definitely going to shed as well. But once you put it in a ponytail, it just lays so sleek that it looks super good. I didn't have to make any baby hair or anything like that. It kind of came with some. I did kind of group up a little bit more than just the baby hair here, but it did the trick to make it kind of look a little bit more natural. Now this is a wig, a synthetic wig at that, so it's limited on how natural it's going to look. But I think in the ponytail and even with the braid, it is definitely an adorable, fun look. I think it looked good in the other colors, the blonde and stuff like that, but it definitely just has more of a natural quality about it in the 1B. Or you can even go 2. I think 2 sometimes look a little bit more funny and wiggy on me. But I do have her linked in the description bar, so make sure that you check her out. She's super affordable, fun for the summertime. A lot of times we want to do like the feed-in braid and the feed-in ponytails, but we don't know exactly how to do it, so you can just start with something that's already ready to go. You don't have to feed anything in, just literally make the braid. The fishtail braid definitely will look even better than just a regular braid. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to check out Sam's Beauty. I have their website as well as a link to this wig in the description bar for you guys to search, shop, and all that great stuff. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, share this video with your friends, and as always, I'll see you in the next one.